Cities are busy places. There are cars, buses, people, and tall buildings everywhere. The streets are full of noise. Sometimes it feels too much. You want to stop and breathe. You want a quiet place. This is why green spaces are important. A green space is a park, a garden, or any place with trees, grass, and flowers. It is a part of nature inside the city. It is where people can rest and feel calm. When you go to a park, you can see green trees, blue sky, and hear birds sing. You can sit on a bench and relax. In a green space, everything feels slower. The noise of a city becomes quiet. You can take a deep breath and feel better. The air smells fresh. You can see sunlight on the leaves. You can hear the sound of wind. It feels peaceful. Many people go to parks when they are tired. Some people go there in the morning to walk or run. Others go in the evening to sit and think. Children play, families talk, old people walk slowly. Everyone can enjoy the park in their own way. When you walk in a park, your body feels good. You move your legs and breathe fresh air. You do not need to run fast. You can just walk and look around. After a few minutes, you may smile. The green color of trees makes your eyes relax. Your heart beats slower. You feel light inside. Green spaces help not only your body, but also your mind. When you feel sad or stressed, a park can help you feel better. Nature is like a friend who listens to you. You do not need to talk. You just sit under a tree and feel calm again. Sometimes people bring a book to the park. They read, draw, or write. Some people just sit and do nothing. They watch the sky or birds flying. It is a simple joy. It is not about doing something big. It is about being quiet and feeling peaceful. You can also meet people in green spaces. You can talk with friends, eat lunch together, or walk with your family. You can smile at strangers. In a park, people are more relaxed and kind. The green space makes everyone feel soft and friendly. A park is also good for children. They can run, jump, and play games. They can learn about trees, flowers, and insects. They can see small animals like birds, butterflies, and squirrels. This helps them love nature. It also makes them happy and healthy. Some people like to exercise in green spaces. They do yoga, stretch, or ride a bicycle. Others like to take photos of trees and flowers. Some just enjoy sitting under the sun. Every person can find something good there. Even if you live in a big city, you can find a small green place. Maybe there is a small garden near your home or school. Maybe there are trees along the street. You can stop for a short time and look at them. Even a little green can make you feel calm. If you cannot go outside, you can make your own green space at home. You can grow a small plant in a pot. You can put flowers near your window. You can look at them every day. It will make your room feel alive and peaceful. Green spaces also help the earth. Trees clean the air and give us oxygen. They make the city cooler in hot weather. They give birds and animals a home. When we take care of green spaces, we take care of our world. You can help by not throwing trash in parks. You can water plants. You can join your friends to clean the park. Small actions can make a big change. When you see a clean, green place, you feel proud. Spending time in nature also helps you think clearly. Sometimes when you have a problem, you can go for a walk in a park. You may find an answer while walking. The calm air helps you think better. It is like your mind gets fresh air too. When you sit in a green space, try to listen. What do you hear? Maybe the wind, maybe birds, maybe people laughing. Try to look around. What do you see? Trees, flowers, sky, clouds. Try to feel your body, the ground under your feet, the air on your skin. You are part of nature. You do not need money to enjoy nature. You only need time and open eyes. Sometimes we forget to look. We walk fast. We check our phones. But when we stop and look at trees, we feel something nice. We remember that simple things can make us happy. Green spaces are good for everyone, young and old, rich and poor. In a park, everyone is the same. Everyone enjoys the same fresh air and the same blue sky. Nature does not choose. It welcomes all. If you visit the same park many times, you can see how it changes. In spring, flowers bloom. In summer, trees are full and green. In autumn, leaves turn red and yellow. In winter, the park is quiet and cold. Every season has its own beauty. You learn that life also changes just like nature. Sometimes the weather is not perfect. It rains or it is too hot. But nature still has peace in every form. You can use an umbrella and listen to the rain. You can sit under a tree on a hot day. You can wear a jacket on a windy day. Every kind of weather has its sound and feeling. When you leave the park, you can keep the calm feeling with you. You can remember the smell of trees, the soft wind, the sound of birds. This memory can help you when you feel stressed again. You can close your eyes and think of your favorite green place. Green spaces remind us that we need balance. We need both work and rest, both noise and quiet. We need buildings, but we also need trees. A happy city has both. A happy person needs both. So next time you feel tired, go outside. Find a park, a tree, or a small garden. Walk slowly. Breathe deeply. Look around. Listen. Feel the peace that nature gives you. You don't have to travel far. Serenity can be right there, waiting under the next tree. Urban green spaces are gifts. They help us breathe, think, and feel alive. They show us beauty in simple things. They make our cities softer and our hearts calmer. Every time you visit one, you find a small piece of peace. And that peace can grow inside you, one step at a time.